About this item: headphone female RCA to male 3.5mm. This 3.5mm to dual RCA female cable is ideal for adapting the output of your PC, or personal audio to stereo RCA jacks for a quick transition from headphone to RCA connection. Simply plug the 3.5mm end to the headphone jack on your audio device and the two RCA ends to the sound system. The 1/8 to red and white adapter would offer a remarkable stereo sound experience to you. Headphone universal compatibility. RCA female to 3.5mm connects your A/B devices such as MP3, tablet, smartphone, Xbox 360, PS3, Wii, HD TV, gaming consoles, phono receiver or more. Headphone plug a portable CD player, MP3 player, iPod, smartphone, tablet, PC sound card and other devices with auxiliary connector into the existing RCA connections that runs into your home theater audio system, HD TV, gaming consoles, and other systems. For audio